So if you hadn't noticed, this trap house is in a skyscraper, and there's not too much here, but the most appealing part of this whole place is that it's in a skyscraper. So that's surprising to me that this is actually in this building right now. Because it's actually kind of a nice building on the outside. I didn't really recognize it to be like abandoned or anything. So it's kind of cool. But there is spray paint on all these windows. So those nice condos across the way know that this is abandoned.